He got.
Yeah, I saw. I don't know if I actually filmed that.
Oh man.
I know.
Wow. Oh.
I haven't had this one out at all yet, so. Hi. All right, everybody.
Oh.
You're okay, guys. We're right here. If you just stand still, everything's fine.
There we go.
Hey. Listen. Hi. Yeah, I know. I think you guys are just really scared. That's okay. It's okay.
He's gonna hurt you.
Yeah. Okay. That's fun. We can have fun, right?
I wish I had a GoPro on.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey.
I know. Oh yes, I forgot your leash. She's probably gonna get. Yeah. They've.
Easy.
I think they bit through a couple. So. Let's stop that. Hey, dude. Hey. Okay. Can I have that? Yeah. He's gonna bite through that. You had another shepherd on you?
No. Hey, buddy.
Stay there.
He's almost through.
Yeah. Okay, I need a lead. Quickly.
Easy.
You're okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's. Watch. You can drop. I'm getting another leash.
Whoa. We're not going to pull on your brother's leash.
It's like, are you sure about that? It's okay. You're okay. Thank you.
Whoa.
All right. You all right? You all right?
Hey, big man.
I know, buddy. All right. Here, your brother's right here. Your brother's right here. Whoa. Maybe move him closer to his brother. Right. Jesus Christ. Oh, boy.
No.
Well, if you gotta drop him, Emily, you drop him. Let me just check on their progress over here.
Easy.
Oh, quick! So these two really need to be euthanized. You're okay, buddy.
We're good.
Okay. Come on, guys, let's go.
You should find your 2 bags hanging out of my pocket.
Come on. I would just leave that open. Go ahead. Got your hand. Yeah. Alright. That was some stellar.
Do you want me to take him?
Yeah. Okay.
So we have the extra leash in the backyard. So,
Yeah. Just get one off. I think that, we can just leave that one for now. He'll chew it off. Whoa, buddy. I don't think that these two should leave their kennels anymore at all.
okay. Extremely dangerous. Where's the safety latches? I had put them right here.
Oh God, did you hear?
It was a chain and carabiner.
I have no idea. Oh, please tell me it's in there. I am not sure. Honestly, I don't know what happened.
Hi. Here, you can do it if you want to just hold your foot.
Hey guys. I don't know if that's long enough.
This one's not as long as I'd prefer. Oh God, that's scary. It's okay, guys. Did they get their food in?
No, we did not.
Oh, that's okay. We can actually burrito it through the kennel bars.
Okay.
And we can throw a couple Kongs in there.
Okay.
We also have to fill their water buckets.
Yeah, they dumped them. I think they had. First thing you did was go in there and dump your buckets. Thank you. Thanks. Well, the rest of them are not that bad. So.
No.
Hey. We've had conversations about feeding them together. They can eat together. Maybe we'll go over there and just see. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, let's.
Sweet tonight.
Yeah. All right, let's take a chill for a